Hello and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be taking you through how to access the learning management system after you've signed up. You would have gotten two mails like this with your access details and your payment receipt. I'll just open your payment receipt. It gives you details on your payment, when you paid and the amount you paid. And then here is your access details. You have your email, your password to reset and the login URL. So to reset your password, you just click on this link. It's going to open in on another tab. If your network is good, as fast as possible, then you set your password. You confirm your password and you click on reset password, and that's it. So once you have reset your password, you put in your email address. That's the email you provided to us to get access to the course, and then you put in your password and you click on login. Now if you cannot remember your password, if you've forgotten, you can just come to the URL trainwithawi.com, click on forget password and reset your password. Click on login. And here you are. So it brings you straight to your account, not just a general review, and you'll see the courses that you have purchased. You see if you have any quiz, you see your profile, change password, you can invite others to your subscription. So the first thing you need to do is go to my profile, and you will need to update your profile. You can put your address if you want to, but what is more important is for you to put your city and your state, and you select your country. If you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you're in the United States, you select the United States and you click on submit. That will be all we need from there. Then you go back to your others, which is where your courses are contained, and you click here on this access. So once you click on access, it brings you to the course. This is the dashboard of the course. Here you have the course outline, the Awi Ultimate Web Bundle. I've not started, so it's 0% complete. You scroll down and you see it has 13 modules. For each one you open, you'll see the lessons under each module. Now the course has been set on first completion, such that if you've not completed one lesson, you can go to the next. This is the summary of the course, which I believe you have read before you started, but take time to read it again, and you click on let's get started. So it brings you here. This is the first video. To watch your video, you just click on play and you'll be able to watch it. You can pause your video here, you can increase or reduce the volume here, and here you can take it to a full put it down so you can watch it down, or here you take it back so you have a full screen. Here you can have a fuller screen with this, and you can press escape if you're using your computer to take you back. And here, once you're done with the course, you play through to the end, and
an accountability partner.
Yes, you've gotten to the end. You can mark as complete. Once you mark as complete, it takes you to the option of next to take the next lesson. So this is completed, and if you see here, it has been ticked as completed. If it's not completed, it will have this icon. So it's important to complete one lesson before another, because they are built precept upon precept. Now please leave a user review if you have after each lesson, and if you have any question, leave it as a comment here. We will respond as soon as possible, usually within 24 hours. But if you want your questions answered faster, kindly write us email to where you have sent to the email address that we have emailed you with to get us to get your question answered fast. So you could say, hello, please, what does this mean? Now this is for the comment, and you click on submit. That is how to ask your question, or you can send it right to us. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is how it is. For you to go back to your dashboard, you can click on here to go back to your home dashboard, especially for those that have more than one courses with us. For lectures, you see your others all here. So it says 1% complete, and as you go further, you see them. So that's how to access the course, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Now, in case you want to go back to your mail and you want to come into the course again, and let's close this, and you go through the login URL, that's this, trainwithaway.com. This is it. So you can always come here. If you want to access your course, let me log out of this so that you can see what it's like. So for example, you come in mail, and then you click on, you go to the URL, trainwithaway.com. This is it, and it opens up for you. You don't want to go through that other method. Now this is the lectures, and you may be wondering, where's my course? Just if you come under courses, you will see the courses. Bundles are not under lectures. The lectures are single courses, so you'll see your courses. To access your course, you just click on login, and just the same way we did it, you put in your email and you put in your password, and you click on login, and there you have. So it links you to your account, and you have your others again, and you click on access, and you will be able to access your course. If you have any questions, comments, or clarifications, don't forget or feel free to write us. Thank you.